Brother says it can't detect your LC3033 cartridge, don't return it. 90% of the time it's this one thing. LC3033 install and the Chopper 1 reason compatibles get rejected coming up. Open the ink cover on the right side of your MFC-J995DW, J805DW, J805DW, or J995DW XL. Press down on the old cartridge to release it, then pull straight up. It should slide right out without much force. Now before you put the new one in, there is a crucial step to avoid detection errors. Peel the orange tab off the bottom slowly, make sure no plastic residue is left. Don't touch the gold chip on the side, that's the sensor contact. Skin oils are the #1 cause of cannot detect ink errors. One touch can ruin the connection. The printer's sensor is extremely sensitive to those invisible oils. This is why you see that cannot detect ink error even with a brand new cartridge. Push the new LC3033 straight down into the slot, avoid angling it. Push until it clicks, repeat for each color, close the cover. Make sure the door is fully shut or the printer won't recognize the change. The printer will purge for about 30 seconds, don't turn it off during this time. If it still says cannot detect ink after all that, don't worry, there's a quick fix. Pull the cartridge out one more time, we're going to clean the contacts. Wipe the gold chip with a dry microfiber cloth. This removes any oils or dust. Never use alcohol on the chip. It can corrode the delicate sensor surfaces. Reinsert it firmly. That fixes the detection issue 9 times out of 10. It's usually just a tiny smudge blocking the connection. Castle Ink's LC3033 4-pack is compatible with all J series printers, and it includes our industry-leading 1-year guarantee. Reliable ink, guaranteed. Order yours at the link below. Thanks for watching.